Hi again, Suzanne here at Davis Farm. So our next installment of A Day on the Farm, we're in the aisle barn right now, which is attached to the indoor, which is 144 feet by 70. And there's an aisle barn here that has 8 stalls. There's 12 stalls in the main barn, and then there's a small sort of owner's barn behind the farmhouse, which has 5 or 6 stalls over there. So all total, it's about 25, 26, which is great. And now I think some of you know my daughter June has become quite the little equestrian, so I'm spending time at a lot of different farms around the New England area, and I've truly come to appreciate and acknowledge how well kept and well maintained and well set up Davis Farm is. So as you can see here, I mean, this is, they didn't do anything special for us, but it's just always immaculate. There's not a lot of deferred maintenance, and everything's constantly upgraded and improved. I was talking to someone the other day about it, and they could not believe that we're on town water, town sewer, and natural gas. Again, usually when you're getting out to these more, farm type properties, you're dealing with septic and wells and things like that. So there's just so many great features. But what I'm going to show you next is that the way the owners designed this, everything's connected. The indoor, the aisle barn, and the main barn, it's all covered. So I've been over here with my daughter riding our horse that we leased. His name is Monty. He's out there. He's amazing. He's like part of our family. But if it's a rainy or cold day, you're not having to walk, outside at all. So it really makes the experience very enjoyable. There goes some really cool birds. But it's just, again, the more time you spend on these type of properties, you really, really appreciate what's here and the fact that it is so turnkey. So Davis Farm, one more little tour coming up, and we're going to give you a shot of Monty as well. So thanks for watching.